Good morning! So, you got a microbit. Nice. It comes with a cable that has a small micro USB connector on one end and a larger USB-A connector on the other. Plug the smaller end into your microbit, then connect the USB-A end to your laptop. And just like that, you're plugged in and ready to start coding. Now, this is the microbit editor. So when you're here, microbit will actually have a few codes already given to you and whenever you start a new project, for example. This comment at the top saying that for microbit import star. That means that this is going to import every module from microbit itself. This is actually to program whatever microbit has with the Python language. So you must always have this at the top. And this is just like a starter code to show you that whenever you turn on the microbit, it will always show the image heart and then sleep for about 1 second. I know that this is like 1000, but it actually meant it's 1000 milliseconds, which is a 1 second thing. And we'll display the text right here on hello. Now, for our very first thing for this is just go and navigate over to ideas, and you would see the very first project you can try is the emotion badge itself. But if you can actually remember everything, just make sure you just press on like if and then button A, just to follow the syntax itself. After that is being like express, and because this is Python, we need to have a parameters, and then we just close that. Or I forgot that it's pressed, there is an underscore to just show the instructions that. This is actually how microbit process the Python instruction. So it's just like the syntax to show it. And after that, you want to show something. If you want to show text, you can use a scroll. But if you would like to show an image itself, you can just show a library of images. For example, brackets image dot. And when you scroll right around here, you can see that these are what microbit has already designed as per their library. There are plenty actually, and you can just select any one that you like. For example, if you want to try a little bit with a triangle, and let's run that and select A, you can see that's a little triangle designed by microbit itself. That was a very, very straightforward thing. Program this, and then you see that over in the editor on the right side. Now, let's do something different. So this time, let's type out, for example, button B is press. This is the B button on the right side of the microbit. Just make sure if you want to type this, just to get the hang of the syntax, it's up to you. But here we can actually try something called show. Because in microbit, if you go to the reference display here, you have different types of how you want to show the LED, and it actually runs that for you. And the LED have something like heart, scroll, and show or more. Now this time here, show image, we can actually create the first string. We are programming this based on string first. And remember that the microbit have 5 different LEDs on the first line, and that you just separate it with a colon itself, with a colon, and then you can just repeat all of these things. So I'm just gonna put this like 5 lines over here, and then we're just gonna use these as the second one. We can space so that we can actually see that in like the same line itself, and then we're just gonna paste. All right, so I have 4, so I can now put in the last one, the 5th one, but the 5th one, we don't need this one at all because the last one does not need to have the colon, and this represents the 5 different individual pixels that we have. So right over here, if I press B, nothing happened because all of these things are generally 0, so there's no value. So let's try to line up the first line, for example. So we can line up the first line by just pressing 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. All right, replacing all the values. And right now, if I press B, you can see that the entire first line, first row right there has been shined up. And what 9 means is this the brightness of the LED. So if I just do on the middle line with all 5s, for example, and press B, you can see that the LED is slightly dimmer than the 9th of the first line itself. I want to do something a little bit much more fun so that we have a slight animation. I'm going to do like a blinking kind of fill in a diamond shape. So let's do that by placing everything here in 0. I want that outer line here to have like a diamond shape. You will be able to see that later on if I just finish designing this. So here 9, 9, 9. So let's put a 0 to everything, to the sideways. And then I have 9 here. So here should be 0. This should be 9. Should be 0, 9, 0. And then the final one will be 9 itself. So we put everything to 0. So I have a nice little square, slightly augmented diamond shape. If I press B, you can see that little design is there. So that is what it should look like. So right now, I'm gonna put a little bit of a sleep timer here. So I'm just gonna let it sleep about 2000, maybe 1 second. So 1 second is 1000 milliseconds right over there. So we do have a little sleep. And I'm gonna just use another display image again right over here. Okay, and this time I want everything that is now inside to have the second fill in. And you can see that that is being filled in right over there. And I want the next thing to fill in is I'm just going to put in another timer here, right more. And then we're going to do fill in until the middle is not being seen. So 1 second, another second, you can see that that one is intentionally being left. And then I'm just going to copy this whole entire thing again so that we're going to just use that one last time with this. Whenever you paste this, you just got to be careful with the indentation to make sure you are together following the Python route. And now if I press B, and it actually moves this way. All right, so animation will be even fun if this is automated. So we do have a little bit of automation. And to do that automation, I'm going to use a for loop instead. So in Python, you can use a for loop for I in range, and I'm going to repeat this to maybe 5 times. Just put in like 5 different loops itself. And then I'm going to just animate this for 5 different times. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to press and highlight and press tab on the keyboard to indent this little line. And then let's run that. Press 5 beat times. You can see that this is animating itself and it's going to animate again and again and again. There's a lot of ways to make this. This is my way of doing things, and depending how you would like to animate a 25 grid design, like your imagination flows. All right, good luck, and let's see what you guys can create. So make sure you plug into the device itself. Then you select to send to microbit, select the pair that is already connected, and just press connect. Take some time to flash, and once it's done, you can actually test that over your microbit device. Now that the code has been flashed, let's test it out. When I press button A, you can see the triangle light up. And when I press button B, the animation we created earlier in MakeCode comes to life across the microbits' 25 LED grid. Now it's time to create your own.